Why are companies so obsessed with replacing humans? And why haven't all our jobs been taken by now?
So as Amazon empowers some of its 750,000 plus robots with more and more skills like ours, is Vulcan the robot that could finally eliminate the need for Amazon's human workforce?
In the last few years, generative AI has made it possible to be a $1 million company as a company of one. Couple SaaS tools, deployment here or there. You can now create your billion-dollar business with just a few generative AI tools. Let's dive into this. I'm Crystal Wijaya, and this is Class Bakar. Last year, we saw the emergence of Cursor, Windsurf that just got acquired by OpenAI. You have Vercel, you have so many tools that allow you to create what looks like a functional website. You can create apps, backends, but you don't need to know all of the nitty-gritty to make a product these days. Myself have spun up websites in a matter of a weekend just to test a new idea. And that is the democratization of product building with AI. AI allows us the ability to create products, design, and experience integration without really needing to know the back-end details behind it. And this can be very liberating, but it can also be a little dangerous. I don't always know what I'm doing. If I'm creating a product that allows users to upload a file so that I can transmute that into something else, what if someone uploads, a virus to my backend or uploads a scary executable file without the relevant experience? While I can create this product, I don't know the technical danger and security issues that most well-trained engineers would. So I like to use these as prototypes rather than as full-fledged products.
I think most people have no idea, and many people have the wrong idea.
But you do believe it's going to change the world. The revolution in artificial intelligence is the center of a debate, ranging from those who hope it will save humanity to those who predict doom.
One thing that I think is really interesting is engineers designing for product. I see really amazing development where engineers are actually designing for this democratized way of building product. Engineers that look at building scaffolding or frameworks of code that are secure and designed and commented in a way that an AI tool like Cursor can understand. And they're able to create these sandboxes where a product person who doesn't know any code can actually come in and adjust, what shows up on the home screen because they are given this very clear compartmentalized piece of code. So there are ways to actually make generative AI tools create new products or enable and empower product managers to be technical in a safe, contained box. Rather than giving people the ability to ship entire pieces of code, we draw lines in the sand and say, this is where we allow you to be as creative as you can be. So if I tell you to close your eyes and think of everything in the world that's white, versus if I tell you to close your eyes and think about everything white in a refrigerator, you should come up with much more concrete ideas that help you pick and pull concrete facts or build concrete product ideas because you were given a sandbox rather than an entire world or universe of options.
It's like a strange new type of intelligence appeared on our planet. It has remarkable capabilities, but it also makes egregious errors that we never make. And it doesn't yet do the deep logical reasoning that we can do. It has a very mysterious surface of both capabilities and fragilities, and we understand almost nothing about how it works.
Many fear that their jobs will be threatened and that robots will soon take over the world. But is it that scary?
By now, you've probably heard AI scientists, Nobel laureates, and even the godfather of AI himself sounding the alarm that AI could soon lead to human extinction.
And so I like to think of the best 10x engineers creating a 1x engineer out of a product manager by designing these types of systems where you're given the guardrails and space and constraints to empower a product manager or a less technical person to build their own code. Traditional engineering, because it was so long and so hard to build, was focused on reacting to current conditions. In this data-first kind of data-empowered paradigm, you are reacting to changing conditions. And with generative AI and coding tools, you are actually co-creating the future. And when we allow generative AI to be a tool in helping us co-create that future, we allow engineers, product managers, non-technical team members to participate in the co-creation of that future. I think that makes for a much more rich experience when you allow someone who has the taste and ability to imagine how a product might work in their head, but as a designer, they don't maybe know how to articulate it on code. These tools then help you communicate that taste. And that's, I think, a very precious thing.
Don't use AI in a vacuum. Make sure that you have brought up this attempt to use AI to your own team leadership. Don't let AI do the work for you.
One of the big questions is what jobs you think will be first to go and what layoffs you've seen so far because of AI.
I would draw this parallel to when we were trying to encourage, more women to be in the workforce or more diverse people to join and to be at companies. You wanted that diversity of thought because it genuinely produced better products. And so now we have the ability to use these tools to co-create the future and empower the diversity of the entire company into building those products. A diverse array of minds will help create a diverse array of products that not just engineers will enjoy based on what they know is possible, but based on what a designer or a customer service agent or a project manager